Today I'm going to turn this into this. So let's get cracking. I had loads of old boards laying around from when I ripped up the floor. As you can see in the background, it's all new. And the missus chirped up that she wanted some new planters. So that's what today's job is. Create one and then maybe some more. I made 2 frames using some what I think are 2x4s that are also from the ring. Using the original piece that I cut at 410mm, I'm just going to reuse that and cut an additional 7 pieces, give me a total of 8, which will make the 2 frames. Putting all my pieces for the frame. I finished the rest off camera. Now I'm just like laying out the pattern, making sure I'm getting square. And then I can nail gun it together. I'm using this piece of wood here, just in case there's any deflection it nails. I don't want it to go through my hand. So it's just a bit of a safety guard there. Frame's done. On to all the pieces that are going to make up the outer legs and the middle boards. These are using like old pine planks. To get rid of the longer nails that I was using for the frames. And I'm going to use some smaller gauge nails to actually attach the boards. And here, just making sure we got the groove space down. That should help with any condensation on bottom of boards, drainage. Just like decking boards. Although, which way around decking boards go, bless you. Depends on preference, I guess. Here we go, start nailing these in. All my boards are cut. I've got 8 at 450mm, and then I've got 4 at 410mm, I think it is. The longer ones are going to be on the corners to act as legs. The shorter ones are going to go as a middle board, which you'll see in a second when I lay them out in situ. Like an idiot, I forgot to plug in the microphone. So, quick explanation. I'm trying to aim for a 50mm gap at the bottom for the outside pieces, which are the longer 450mm pieces of old floorboards, and they're going to act as little legs. So I'm going to add one each corner, and then what I'll do is I will add the shorter boards in between. I'm just double checking the measurements. 50 at bottom, 20 at top. And then I'm going to whack some nails in there. Got to check for square. And bang, bang. The impression of a nail gun going off. Right, this is just a case of rinse and repeat, so I'm just going to skip forward on it. Here we go. here we have it. The finished planter. I say finished, but ideally I need to line it with something, and I could also do with using some kind of protective coat, because it's only pine boards in the end, it will rot eventually. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you join me on the next video. See you later.